Hello, my name is Novita Putri. I want to answer the question for complete my task. Number 1. The word always show that something happened again and again. It is a habit in English grammar. When we talk about habits or things people do regularly, we use the simple present tense. The simple present tense use the best form of the verb, and for he, she, or it, we add s at the end of the verb. The subject in this sentence is Daniela. The best verb is forget, so we change it to forget. So the correct answer is A, forget. Daniela always forget to remind her boss to attend the evening gathering. Number 2. The phrase next month tell us that this action will happen in the future. In English, when we talk about future plans, especially fixed or already arranged plans, we often use the present continuous tense. The structure of present continuous tense is subject plus am or is or are plus verb ing. The grammar used for things that are already planned or scheduled in the near future. My boss singular use is verb travel is traveling. So the correct answer is B, is traveling, is traveling. My boss is traveling to Australia next month to open a new restaurant. Number 3. This sentence is talking about something that happened in the past. I know this because of the press. When the court judged them guilty of corruption. This is a past event, so the main verb should also be in the past tense. We use the simple past to talk about action that start and finish in the past. The verb should is the past tense of shall. So the correct answer is A, shall. The Mackenzies sold their house in a hurry when the court judged them guilty of corruption. Number 4. The press in March tell us that the action happened in the past. Also, the second part of the sentence says, because there, so ask them to move in with him. This also use the simple past tense as, so the verb in the first part must also be in the simple past tense. We ask it to talk about action that start and ended in the past. The verb vacated is the past tense of vacate, which means to leave a place, especially a home or building. So, the correct answer is A, vacated. The old tenants vacated the property in March because their son asked them to move in with him. Number 5. The phrase for the last couple of months means the action started in the past and continues up to now. When we talk about actions that began in the past and are still true in the present, we ask the present perfect tense. The structure of present perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus past participle. We is the subject used, have the verb is report, and the past participle is reported. So the correct answer is D, haven't reported. We haven't reported the visit for the last couple of months. This means for the past until now, we have not reported any deficit. Number 6. The press since June tell us that the action started in the past and is still continuing now. When we describe an action that began in the past and is still happening, especially one that is repeat or ongoing, we use the present perfect continuous tense. The structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus has or have been plus verb ing. Jack is the subject singular use. has been, verb walk becomes walking. So the correct answer is D. Has been walking since June. Jack from the accounting has been walking to the office because his car was stolen. This means Jack started walking in June and is still walking now. Thank you.